The problem: this printer was giving an error message and would not print. This is the clear carriage jam message shown on the printer window. All the suggestions shown in the HP videos on YouTube were tried but did not correct the problem. To correct the problem, with the printer powered on, open the front door to expose the inside of the printer, then power off. Second, clean this area over to the right, where stick is pointing, using Q-tips and alcohol. Look for the opening in the metal bar. Clean the gear and lever well. In that area somewhat under the metal bar there is a metal piece about 1/4 inch long. Clean it using a toothpick dipped in alcohol. Clean along the bottom of the metal bar too. Make sure no Q-tip fibers are left in the printer. After a thorough cleaning, powering on should produce this ready window.